I'm up here on the main floor, and just to show you a little bit more of the painting around the baseboard. You see what I'm talking about? See that? There's some more. There's some more. Now you know what you're looking for. You want straight lines. You don't want stuff that goes way up too high. Look at that one. That's not straight, is it? Look at that. They foobawed that. See? So take some pride when you put that masking tape on. Make it nice and straight. And if you can't make it straight all the way and you got this left, what are you going to do about that? You may not be very good freehand getting the wall paint perfectly straight there. You could put another piece of tape down there and then just paint right there, pull the tape back up. You could do that too. That'll get you better at putting the tape down. Okay? That's another way to get that nice and straight. Use the blue tape. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.